wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best garbage disposals. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the cost-effective Moen GX50C comes with an integrated power cord, which eliminates the need to hardwire or purchase separate cables for installation. The slim and compact design maximizes under-sink storage space, making it ideal for small kitchens. It's equipped with a permanent magnet motor and is compatible with septic tanks. However, there are some occasional leaking issues. At number 9, the galvanized steel construction of the Emerson Evergrind E202 adds a lot to its durability, and its 26-ounce grind chamber is big enough to handle just about anything you throw its way. Its performance is relatively quiet as well. It comes with a soft anti-splash baffle and a self-service wrench, but it doesn't include a power cord. Coming in at number 8 on our list, equipped with an angled fin, the GE-GFC 525B is powerful enough to pump ground food and water through your pipes at high speeds and pressures, purging your drain before a potential clog becomes an issue. It includes a wall switch and a galvanized steel turntable. However, some parts may rust over time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for garbage disposals, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the becbas Element 7 features a permanent magnet DC motor that delivers an operating speed of up to 2700 RPM, reducing the potential for jams. A convenient manual reset button restarts the machine following an overload. It's made with corrosion-proof components and foam that reduces the noise level, but it is on the bulky side. Moving up our list to number 6, the kitcheneater KE1 PC is backed by a lifetime in-home warranty and offers a convenient snap and lock mounting system, making it a breeze to install under the sink of any kitchen. Its microblade ensures fine grinding of even the bulkiest foods. Insulation surrounds the grind chamber, and a drain elbow reduces vibrations. However, you do need additional items for assembly. Halfway up our list at number 5, setting the insinkerator 74032 apart from the competition is an exclusive technology that injects millions of enzyme-producing microorganisms into the device when you activate it, making it good for homes with septic systems. It emits a pleasant citrus scent and is equipped with a 40-ounce chamber capacity, but it's not the company's quietest model. At number 4, the interior of the Titan 10 US Premium 1060 is treated with an agent that prevents the buildup of odor-causing bacteria. It boasts a powerful 1.25 horsepower motor that runs at 2800 RPM to tear through waste with ease. It magnetically protects cutlery and includes a removable splash guard. However, the sink flange is cheaply made. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Waste King 9980 TC boasts a sound insulated housing with sturdy steel and rust-resistant components for longevity. It's capable of being activated by either the included wall or sink-mounted air switch. It grinds food in batches and is a slim, space-saving design with an easy access reset button. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for garbage disposals, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, thanks to a grinding system with a corrosion-proof turntable and balanced impellers, the Maid Premium runs with very little vibrations, cutting down on the noise it makes and ensuring a long lifespan for its components. It includes a 3-foot power cord, a coating to reduce odors, and a simple mounting mechanism. And taking the top spot on our list, the insinkerator Evolution XL Continuous is adept at keeping its 3-stage grinding process and powerful induction motor running as quietly as possible. An integrated sensor circuit and auto-reverse system help prevent jams. It comes with a stainless steel stopper and is very easy to install. It's backed by a 7-year in-home limited warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for garbage disposals, or simply click beneath this video.